if you've been following, doing the Work Smarter, Not Harder series, and I'm making 2 Orzo pasta salads, especially, you know, the weather is getting warmer. Summer bodies are made in the kitchen now. Food is frequency, food is medicine. If you're new here, that's, you know, some of my mantras. So now we're gonna go on to the Orzo salad Southwest style. I have about 3 cups of Orzo in here. We're gonna add half a cup of cilantro. Going cilantro heavy because I only had a little bit left and I'm not using it for anything else, so we don't waste in this kitchen. All the kids in the pool. From the veggies I had prepped earlier, I have in here red onion, garlic, celery, and jalapeno. See how easy it is once everything's ready to go? I have some non-GMO organic frozen corn that's been thawed out. Putting about a cup of that in here. And then I have a cup of black beans here that I cooked for something else. So leftover, we don't waste here. Remember, 1 cup of that is gonna go in here. I'm gonna put half a cup of scallions, and then that's gonna leave me the perfect amount to garnish my hot and sour soup. Remember, work smarter, not harder. Come on. Add banana pepper, so why the F not? A little bit of the brine is good too. A little over a 1/4 cup. I like these. Some fresh cracked pepper. And then kosher salt. I really need to get my regular kosher salt. They didn't have it, so I just want to finish this one up. All the measurements are going to be in the captions, don't worry. And then once you scroll past the ingredients, there's going to be the energetic functions of all these ingredients. But then again, I use crossover, the same ingredients. You're going to have these memorized. Then I'm going to crumble up some queso fresco. This looks and smells good already. I got Lola next to me waiting for something to fall on the floor. I ran out of limes, so I would prefer to do 2, but you know what? Lime and lemon both serve a function in the body, so I'm going 1 and 1. Juice of 1 lime, juice of 1 lemon. Then I'm gonna add olive oil. Mixy mixy. And if you know me, I like leaving things in the fridge for at least a minimum 20 minutes to 30. The longer the better. Let all the flavors marry into one another and get delicious. Olive oil. And then mix it all up. See how delicious this looks when the food is fresh, live, made with your own love, energy, versus going to some fast food place and having a kid that hates his effing life making your food. That energy goes into your vessel. So when you end up eating fast food and you feel like shit, that's why. The more you know. Because energy goes through, we have little chakra points in our hands. Another more you know. Here's your bite. And I hope I'm inspiring somebody to get into the kitchen. A little bit fell on the floor. Lola's gonna have some fun now. So, on that note, I hope you enjoy this one. And let me know if you try any of my recipes. I'm curious to hear from you guys.